Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. Please welcome to Home Garden and Fashion. First of all, I would like to thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and please do go to my Facebook fan page and give me a like there if you haven't been there already. And I would like to thank each and every one of you for subscribing. That is really great, all of you. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Now today's video I want to teach you how to put a trim on a kurta. This is a salwar kurta. I made this one and now I am putting a trim on this one. So as you see, if you have a like chiffon or silk salwar kurta or just a plain salwar kurta, you can put nice trim and make it really look very expensive and glamorous. So this one, what I will do is, this video is going to be in 3 parts. The first part I will show you how to put the trim on hands, and the second part I will show you how to put the trim on the bottom and the edges. So I put it at the edges and the bottom, so you can put both the side, front and back. I put this one only the front, and then in the third part I'm going to put about 2 strips of this same trim, and in the middle I will do some rhinestone decoration. So that will be the third video. So the first one, we're just going to do the hand. For the hand, this was already stitched because I already made the kurta. Now I had to take off this stitch because this is just to show you, but when you are making, before you even stitch the hand to the body, you should finish putting a trim if you're going to put the trim, and then you stitch the hand with the body. So now what you do is just cut a little piece of the trim, measure the hand, and according to the hand measurement you cut the trim. And now we're going to add the trim. So the fabric, this is the pretty side of the fabric and this is the pretty side of the trim, and that's how you add with the match it alongside with the pretty side of the trim and the pretty side of the fabric. And now always try to do the color of the fabric. The thread should be the color of the fabric, not the color of the trim, because if you do the color of the trim, not the fabric, then in the back of the fabric the color of your thread will show and it won't look so nice. So what you have to do is always work with the color of the fabric. Unless your trim is the same color, then there is no problem, but if it's not the same color, then always work with the fabric color, not the trim color. So I got my needle and thread and I put a little knot at the bottom as usual. Now start from the very end at the edge, and both the things are lined up at the right side. Now go from the bottom. Now since this thread is the exactly same color of this fabric, I'm going to do a very tiny stitch on the top and the bottom big. So you see the top is very tiny and the bottom big. See from the back, when I pull this thread, you can see the bottom is big, but at the front you see it's very tiny that you could barely see. So that's why you need to always do the same color of the thread, should be the same color of the fabric, not the trim color, because top stitch you have to give very tiny. Let's take barely. Since this will have many stitches, this will definitely hold it secure, so you don't need to worry about that. Now you see the bottom is really big. Now even if you see a contrasting colored thread on top, still it looks nice. So like this you will continue the entire length. Very tiny stitch on the top and large stitches at the bottom. See, if this was a different color, then it won't look good. So since this is about 2-inch trim, so when this is 2-inch or 3-inch trim, then you have to stitch the top over here and the bottom. But if it's 1-inch trim, then you just give 1 stitch in the middle. So I would try and quickly go over this, then I will show you how to do the top. So I'm giving pretty big stitches at the bottom. Whenever you have a satin or silk fabric, if you put a trim, it really looks very nice. Especially if your fabric is one color, it's really good idea to put a nice trim. This trim I got it from my local craft store, but I haven't seen this trim for a while now. I was looking for this trim to put it in another sari, but I couldn't find it. This was really a nice trim. For this kurta and the salwar, you will be needing about 3 to 4 yards of trim. So it's better if you buy just 5 yards of trim, and whatever you have left over, you can use it to make a purse or something, but it's a good idea to get enough. Later you might see it's not enough for you, but you cannot find it the same kind. So when we come to this edge at the end, what we do is we go around like this. So stitch it here and go around. And now we're going to do this bottom, and we're going to do the same thing. Tiny little stitches on the top. So like this. You'll do the same thing for the other arm, and make sure you give kind of like a loose stitch, not too tight. If you make it too tight, you might wrinkle. But at the same time, make sure you give tiny little stitches on the top. Now sometimes you can, even if your needle is very thin, you can even put a bead along with this. But this one already has too much sequence, so I didn't want to add any beads. But if you add a bead, you could completely cover up the stitches. So we came all the way to the bottom, and here you finish up. So you see, this is how we did it. Now after we finish doing that, then we'll go in the back, and here we will stitch up this one, and then you can run the machine on it if you feel like it, or you can just hand stitch 2-3 times. So this is the way you put a trim on a kurta hand, and this kind of very good contrasting purple and this white. So thank you so much for joining me. This is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share the video, and I will see you with many more videos. First of all, we're going to finish this one probably in 3 series. So the next video will be this bottom part. I'll show you how to put this trim. I already put the trim in 2 sides and I left 1 side just to show you. So that will be my next video, and then we're going to decorate this. Thank you. Bye bye.